Preschool, and I'm here with Maya. Maya's going to tell us what creative things there she's doing to engage with the children.
At transition times, which are really important at the beginning of a year, we're using a lot of songs and games to engage the children. It's also a great way to get them to learn each other's names. So we find songs throughout the day, generally even to pack away, to get ready for morning tea, is a great way to keep the children's focus.
All the food you make, we thank you every day. We thank you, Lord, for loving us every day. Amen.
Thanks, Maya. That's really lovely, and yeah, it's really good to watch you in action.
Thank you. It was lovely to have you this morning.